All right, my name is Amy Glass, or Amy Glass Paley. This dance is called Hands on Me, choreographed by Stuart, beginner level, 4 walls, 32 counts, no tags, no restarts. Lots of fun. We're gonna do some heel swivels. We'll swivel to the right. 1, 2, 3, hitch, and then we step down. 5, 6, 7, hitch, rock back, recover, shuffle, right, rock back, recover, shuffle, forward. We've made a quarter turn. We're gonna do a rocking chair with the right. We rock 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do a jazz box with the right for 5, 6, 7, 8. We're now doing a K-step on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to 1, 2, 3, hitch, 5, 6, 7, hitch, rock back and shuffle, rock back, quarter turn shuffle, rocking chair, jazz box right on 5, 6, K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's Hands on Me by Stuart.